Now suppose suppose I declare one variable a is equal to Python. Now a is the variable and in inverted commas we have, so that's mean Python we need same as it is, but we are not saying here print Python. We take the variable and we put the Python with inverted commas. Now I am going to declare another variable and the variable I am giving the value in the beginning 0. Okay, yani I declared two variables. In the first variable I said there is Python, yani a is equal to Python. And in Python I wrote in inverted commas, that's mean it I need the same as it is on the runtime. But till now I didn't say print Python or print a, because when I will say print a, it will print Python. If I will give the condition with for 1 to 10 times, so it will print Python 1 to 10 times. But I didn't say anything now. Here I am using for and I am declaring one variable with this I. I in A. And A is what? A is our variable. So I am saying I in A, yani run means that the condition I am giving with for I in whatever we have in A. Until now I didn't say print Python. See again, the first variable I took and I give the value there Python, and because this is inverted commas, that's mean I am talking about the same thing I need when I run my program. I declare another variable x and the value I give 0. Okay, so now the value of x is 0. Now I use for and I am saying the variable I in a, whatever value we have in a. With for I am putting the loop, yani whatever we have I in a, but I didn't say how many times we have to print or we have to print or no, we didn't say this. So now in the next line, sorry, the next line I will come, and before the x was 0. So here I will say x is equal to x plus 1. Yani x was 0 when the first time when we run x, so it was 0 plus 1, yani 1. The next time I said that the value will be 2, so 2 plus 1 3. So like this it will work. Now I will say what we have to print exactly. So what we have to print in the bracket I am saying a, and inside a we have Python in inverted commas. Okay, so if I run my program, so you will see it's printing Python. And how many times it's printing? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, because before the value of the x was 0 and here we added the value x plus 1, yani first time it was x0, so 1. Second time x was 1, so it's 1 plus 1 2. The third time x1. So now what will I do? We are saying a bracket, yani print a, and a we have Python. Okay, but we are not saying only a, we are saying a and then 0 colon x, yani the first it will show the first character, the second time it will show the next character, because here you can see x is equal to x plus 1, yani every time it will add one number. And why it's printing 6 time only? Because you can see a is equal to Python, and Python Python 6 time, And here in the beginning x was 0, and after that I say x is equal to x plus 1. Yani first time it was 0 plus 1, so it will be 1. The next time it will be the value of the x will be 1, 1 plus 1, it will be 2. So how it will show? The first time it will show only p, the first variable. The second time it will show py. The third time it will show the third variable, because when the x value will be changed, it will show the character, the the alphabets. Okay, see, so now if I run my program, okay, it's giving me error on line number 5. What is the error here? Okay, I have to use this one. This bracket. So you can see now it's giving me the first time p, because the first time the value was x, x was 0 plus 1, and it will be 1. So it will take the first character, first alphabet. The second time the x value will be 1, and 1 plus 1, it will be 2. So it will show me the two characters, two alphabets. The third time x is 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So that's mean, so this Python it will print, but when the x value will be changed, means if x is 0 now, so 0 plus 1, 1. So it will show me only one character, one alphabet. The next time it will show me the two alphabets. The third time it's 3. So it will work until it will not finish print Python, because here in the last line I say we have to print a, but the value of x was 0, and it will add the value the first time, the second time, until this Python will print. It's not necessary, just I am giving you the example Python. If I write here Abdul Hadi, so when I run my program, so you will see now it's printing Abdul Hadi. The first time it's printing the first alphabet, the second time it's printing the second alphabet, and it's printing until I didn't finish print A. And print A we have Abdul Hadi in inverted commas. So in inverted commas, I told you whatever we write in inverted commas, it comes same as it is. Okay, so it will print until this spelling. What is the spelling of the variable a? What we have inside the variable? It will finish. It will show us the alphabets.
Now see how we declare the variable. Suppose I have to declare the variable a is equal to 20 and b is equal to 30. So now we have 20 inside a and we have 30 inside b. So in the programming, it can be Java, it can be C++, it can be Visual Basic, or it can be Python. So we use the variable to saving our data, and in the other part of the program we call the variable only. So that's mean we are calling the value inside the variable. So here I declare one more variable because my program is when I run my program it will add a plus b. So I will add a plus b. Now we have 20 plus 30, yani a 20 b 30, and we have the calculation in c variable. So if I print the c variable, if I print c because this is the variable, So I'm not using inverted commas, because if I will use the inverted commas it will come. See, now if I want to create a program, when I run, so the computer will ask me enter the number, any of the number. Means before we give the number in A and B, and on the runtime it gives us the result. But now I want to create a program where I will run my program, so the computer will ask me what is the number. So what will I do here? I declare the variable, suppose A is equal to, now what is the variable type? It's type suppose integer, because I have to use the number. Then I'm saying input, and on the runtime the user can enter any number. Now what the computer will ask when I will run my program, enter okay, here I remove this because I am writing in inverted commas, so it will come same as it is, whatever I am writing in inverted commas. So in inverted commas I am writing enter first number, and inverted commas close. And when I will run my program, so the computer will ask me this, whatever I wrote in inverted commas, and because this variable is integer, so I can give integer numbers, and I use input, so that's mean it will, the user can give the input when I run my program.